In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a track pattern so we can see it down here in the module. Our first step is to right click up on top. I like to click near the logo. It doesn't matter. I just like to do it there. Now to right click on the Chromebook, you can hold Alt and then click the trackpad, or you can use two fingers on the trackpad and click down at the same time to get this menu. Then you are going to create track pattern. Once you see your drum machine down here, if you double click on this area, see how it's highlighted a slightly greener gray? You can now manipulate the pattern to be as long or as short as you want. Right now, we're going to make it 4 measures long. So when I hit play, once it finishes this 4 measure loop, it'll stop playing. See? And now if I want to isolate just what I see up here, I can turn off my track pattern by clicking pattern. You see how it's all grayed out? So now it does not matter how long this is, it will only play what is in the current pattern of the drum machine. See, now that it's turned off, it's just going to continue playing that one beat even after it ends. So to turn your track pattern back on, all you have to do is click pattern, and then it reactivates your pattern.